Hello everyone, welcome back to Knowledge Mastermind. Let's celebrate Republic Day with a fun and exciting quiz. Play along, pause the video if you need, and comment your score below. Are you ready? Let's begin. Question number 1 is: when is Republic Day celebrated in India? The options are A. 15th August, B. 26th January, C. 2nd October, D. 14th November. The correct answer is B. 26 January. India celebrates Republic Day on 26 January to honor the adoption of Constitution. Question number 2 is: in which year did India become a republic? The options are A. 1945, B. 1947, C. 1950, D. 1952. The correct answer is C. 1950. India became republic on 26 January 1950. Question number 3 is: who was the first president of India? The options are A. Jawaharlal Nehru, B. Dr. Rajendra Prasad, C. Mahatma Gandhi, D. Sardar Patel. The correct answer is B. Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Dr. Rajendra Prasad was India's first president. Question number 4 is: which document came into force on Republic Day? The options are A. National Anthem, B. National Flag, C. Indian Constitution, D. National Song. The correct answer is C. Indian Constitution. The Indian Constitution came into effect on Republic Day. Question number 5 is: where is the Republic Day parade held? The options are A. Mumbai, B. Kolkata, C. New Delhi, D. Chennai. The correct answer is C. New Delhi. The Grand Parade is held in New Delhi every year. Question number 6 is: which color is the top of the Indian flag? The options are A. Green, B. White, C. Blue, D. Saffron. The correct answer is D. Saffron. Saffron color is at the top of the Indian flag. Saffron stands for courage and sacrifice. Question number 7 is: what is in the center of the Indian flag? The options are A. Lotus, B. Ashok Chakra, C. Star, D. Lion. The correct answer is B. Ashok Chakra. The Ashok Chakra is in the center of the Indian flag and it has 24 spokes and is blue in color. Question number 8 is: how many spokes are there in the Ashok Chakra? The options are A. 20, B. 22, C. 24, D. 26. The correct answer is C. 24. The Ashok Chakra has 24 spokes. Question number 9 is: who is called the father of Indian Constitution? The options are A. Mahatma Gandhi, B. Jawaharlal Nehru, C. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, D. Subhash Chandra Bose. The correct answer is C. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar played a major role in drafting the Indian Constitution. Question number 10 is: what do school children perform on Republic Day? The options are A. Exams, B. Parades and dances, C. Shopping, D. Picnics. The correct answer is B. Parades and dances. Student performs dances, drills, and patriotic programs in their school. Question number 11 is which animal appears on India's national emblem? The options are A. Tiger, B. Elephant, C. Lion, D. Horse. The correct answer is C. Lion. The national emblem has four Asiatic lions. Question number 12 is what is the theme of Republic Day Parade? The options are A. Sports, B. Culture and Heritage, C. Movies, D. Technology only. The correct answer is B. Culture and Heritage. Parade shows India's culture, state, and achievements. Question number 13 is who takes the salute at the Republic Day Parade? The options are A. Prime Minister, B. Chief Justice, C. President of India, D. Governor. The correct answer is C. President of India. The President of India is the head of nation who takes the salute at Republic Day Parade. Question number 14 is which song is sung on Republic Day? The options are A. Vande Mataram, B. Jan Gan Man, C. Sare Jahan Se Acha, D. All of these. The correct answer is B. Jan Gan Man. Jan Gan Man is India's national anthem which is sung on Republic Day. Question number 15 is what does green color in the flag represent? The options are A. Peace, B. Courage, C. Growth and prosperity, D. Strength. The correct answer is C. Growth and prosperity. Green stands for growth and fertility. Question number 16 is how many states does India currently have? The options are A. 26, B. 27, C. 28, D. 29. The correct answer is C. 28. India has currently 28 states. Question number 17 is which award is given on Republic Day? The options are A. Padma Awards, B. Oscar, C. Nobel, D. Grammy. The correct answer is A. Padma Awards. Padma Awards honor civilians for excellence. Question number 18 is what is the capital of India? The options are A. Mumbai, B. New Delhi, C. Kolkata, D. Chennai. The correct answer is B. New Delhi. New Delhi is the capital city of India. Question number 19 is which force show bike stunts on Republic Day? The options are A. Navy, B. Army, C. Air Force, D. BSF. The correct answer is D. BSF. BSF Jawans perform amazing motorcycle stunts in the Republic Day Parade. Question number 20 is What does white color in the flag stands for? The options are A. Peace and truth, B. Courage, C. Growth, D. Power. The correct answer is A. Peace and truth. White stands for peace and honesty. Question number 21 is who designed the Indian national flag? The options are A. Mahatma Gandhi, B. Pingali Venkaya, C. Jawaharlal Nehru, D. Sardar Patel. The correct answer is B. Pingali Venkaya. Pingali Venkaya designed the Indian national flag. Question number 22 is please fill in the blank. Republic Day makes India a dash. The options are A. Kingdom, B. Colony, C. Republic, D. Empire. The correct answer is C. Republic. India became a republic with its own constitution. Question number 23 is which month is Republic Day celebrated in India? The options are A. December, B. January, C. August, D. October. The correct answer is B. January. Republic Day is celebrated every year in January. Question number 24 is what is the national motto of India? The options are A. Jai Hind, B. Satyamev Jayate, C. Vande Matram, D. Bharat Mata Ki Jai. The correct answer is B. Satyamev Jayate. Satyamev Jayate means truth alone triumphs. Question number 25 is please fill in the blank. Republic Day reminds us of dash. The options are A. Our freedom, B. Our constitution and rights, C. Our festival, D. Our sports. The correct answer is B. Our constitution and rights. Republic Day reminds us of our rights, duties, and democracy. Well done, guys. How many answers did you get right? Comment your score below. If you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe to Knowledge Mastermind for more fun quizzes. Bye bye, take care, and Jai Hind.